Everybody, it's Jay here, and welcome to my channel. If you want to understand how to create video ads which are recently available to authors, then you are in the right place. Trust me, video ads are a game changer, and I'll try to give you a pretty easy step to create video ads, and more importantly, what not to do while creating your video campaign so that you can avoid rejection by the AMS team. I I understand video campaigns being available to authors in recent times. It could be a bit overwhelming for some of you to figure out how to create campaigns and how to avoid campaigns being rejected. But don't worry, this video will tell you exactly how to create video campaigns and what not to do to avoid campaign rejection. So, without any delay, let's just dive to the topic of this video. So, if you are in your KDP AMS account and if you click create new campaign, you will see these two options here: sponsor products and sponsor brands. If sponsor brands is grayed out for you, right? Because video campaigns is created under sponsor brands, right? Whatever we used to do beyond video, the normal campaigns, they are under sponsor products. The video campaigns and the top banner campaigns, we call it, they come in sponsor brands. And if this section is grayed out for you, that means that you cannot create video ads, right? So I'm assuming that you have the access first, right? And how to get access for the banner ads, you should have minimum of 3 books, and if you have 3 books, this should be available. And for the video ads, it could be country specific. Maybe your base country is different and you are advertising in a different country. That could be one of the cases, but we need to see it on a case to case basis. So assuming you have access to sponsor brand, you will click the continue button under the sponsor brand, because that's where we're going to be creating our video campaigns. Once you click that, it has a little bit of a different campaign flow compared to sponsored products, but it's pretty easy. So this is the place where you will enter your campaign name. You can call it anything, maybe test video. If you have a portfolio on different books where you want to keep your you want to keep it neat within your campaigns, you can select. For example, in I have portfolios, then you can set your budget. You want to increase the bidding of other than top of the searches, which will be rest of the searches and product searches, right? You can decide whether you want to decrease it or increase it, right? Or just keep it as default. Choose your author name here, right? This is the option. Product collection is the option where you want to showcase your minimum 3 products. So if you want to do that, you select that. But in this video, because our focus is on the video ads, we will select the video option here. We will go to, if you want to, so you can advertise your either the entire author page, which will also include all the other books, or you can do advertising specific to a single book. I prefer it to, I prefer to advertise single books so that I have data points, separate data points to monitor and judge the performance. So in this case, I will click the product detail page. I will scroll down. I will choose my book, here. And then as you can see, there are two options under targeting: keyword targeting, product targeting. Whether you have keywords that you want to target your video to, or you want to target categories through the video campaigns, or individual products on Amazon. This could be your competitor products or Amazon suggested products, right? So in this case, let's say we want to target keywords, right? So I'll just enter my keyword. I'll try to see whether I want to make it phrase match, exact match, or broad match. And I will, for example, I'll do sales books, and say I want to have phrase and exact, right? So I'll do the suggested bid. Okay, here you go. And I'll scroll down. If you want to add any negative keyword targeting that you don't want this video campaign to go, just add in here. And if you scroll down, this is the place where you add your video, right? If you already have a video, you just choose it for you can choose the upload video option and select your video, and it's good to go, right? And then you will just submit the campaign for review. Now that's these are steps to follow to create video campaigns, right? But I want to quickly go through some of the video specifications, which is really important. And if you don't follow these specifications, it won't allow you to even upload successfully, right? It should be size should be 500 MB or smaller, or the aspect ratio should be 16.9, and dimensions it's here. Frame rate, I think it's one of the major reasons why our video campaigns get rejected. I would suggest, there are softwares out there, there are websites out there that can help you doing that. But I would suggest you can, catch anybody from Fiverr for $5 or $7 and just give them these specifications, and they probably would create a book video for you, right? The other important thing is to go through the video guidelines, right? For example, it says the video must not end abruptly at the maximum video duration, which means it should have a proper opening and proper ending. It should not cut abruptly. The critical content should not be touching the corners of the video, and things like that. Other critical thing is sometimes we also add customer reviews and star ratings within the video. That is not allowed. No customer review, should be included in the video, and they're very clear about that. And they have also given some of the reasons of campaigns getting rejected, mainly because of poor video qualities. There are spelling issues. The content is touching the safe zone, right? And if it's a incomplete video, right? Things of that nature. It's very common guidelines, but then sometimes we don't use common sense. That's why I suggest to go through somebody from Fiverr, and and get this done from an expert, right? And then just come here and upload your video and submit for a review, right? I hope this video is helpful, and if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification so that you don't miss out any videos in the future. Till then, you take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.